Good morning to everybody. Welcome to online classes. Hope all of you are well. Please open your homework copy. If your handwriting is good, so you can write directly in your fair copy. Otherwise, you can follow a rough copy. After completion of the question answer, then you can write in your homework copy clearly. Today I will give you the question answer from English Reader Unit 1. Please open your English Reader book, page number 11. Page number 11. Also, you open your copy to write the answer. Question number 1. Appreciation, page number 11 and 12. Toad gives 2 reasons for not going out into the cold. What are they? Question 1. Toad gives 2 reasons for not going out into the cold. What are they? Answer. Please write the answer. Toad gives 2 reasons. Roman 1 you write. His bed was warm. Roman 1. His bed was warm. Roman 2. He did not have any winter clothes. Roman 2. He did not have any winter clothes. Question number 1 is over. I'll repeat. Question 1. Toad gives 2 reasons for not going out into the cold. What are they? Answer. Toad gives 2 reasons. Number 1, Roman 1. His bed was warm. Number 2, Roman 2. He did not have any winter clothes. Question 1 completed. Now question 2. Choose the best answer. Here is 3 option is there. 2A, 2B, 2C. 2A 3 option, 2B 3 option, 2C 3 option. That is multiple choice question. 2A, frog bring clothes for Toad. A Roman 1. A Roman 2. Frog helps toads to dress. Roman 3. 2a3 brings clothes and help toads to dress. 2a1 do not write anything. 2a Roman 2 do not write anything. 2a3 you write tick mark. 2a frog brings clothes and help toad dress. This is the right answer. 2a3 tick mark. 2b frog falls off the sledge, jumps off the sledge, does not go on the sledge. That is the 3 answer. You have to choose the right answer. 2b Roman 1 falls off the sledge. 2 Roman 2 jumps off the sledge. Roman 3 does not go on the sledge. The right answer 2b frog falls off the sledge. That is, you have to write tick mark in the box. Other two do not touch. 2c the sledge hits a rock, then a tree, then dips into the snow. 2c Roman 2 hits a tree, then a rock, then dips into the snow. 2c Roman 3 hits a rock, then dips into the snow. That is the right answer. 2c Roman 2. Make it tick mark. So right answer 2c, the sledge hits a tree, then a rock, then dips into snow. Question number 3. True or false? Say whether this sentence are true or false. If true, you have to write in the box capital T. If it is false, you have to write capital F. 3a frog brought Toad 3 things to wear. False, F. 3b the sledge belonged to frog. That is the right answer. You have to write T, true, capital T. 3c frog fell off the sledge into the snow drift. 3c it is false. You have to write F, capital F. 3d the crow told Toad that he was alone on the sledge. 3d is the right answer. You have to write capital T. So question number 3, see whether these sentences are true or false. A false, B true, C false, D true. It is the end of question number 3. So question number 2, 1, 2 and 3 already over. Now question number 4. Do you think Toad enjoyed his ride on the sledge? Question number 4. Be prepared to write the answer. Do you think Toad enjoyed his ride on the sledge? Give a reason for your answer. Now answer. 4. No, comma. Toad did not enjoy his ride. The sledge met with an accident. Toad went home and enjoyed his home and warm bed. Again, question number 4. Do you think Toad enjoyed his ride on the sledge? Give a reason for your answer. Answer: no, comma, Toad did not enjoy his ride, full stop. The sledge met with an accident. Within bracket you can write, it hit a tree and a rock, bracket close, full stop. Then Toad, next sentence, Toad went home and enjoyed his home and warm bed. That is the end of first lecture.